How you guys doing? And thanks for watching. I'm here with a nice 2018 Ford Explorer. What we're featuring on the front and the back of this truck are LIN-6 in an amber clear right underneath the grille in the front there. You can mount those either by fabricating a 90-degree bracket or by using VHB, your choice. And in the rear, we're featuring our ECO HAW. We put in the low dome version, but you can use the low dome or the high dome. Both will work fine in the reverse. And we have our Wicked stick in a 6 head mounted on the factory Ford luggage cross member. Turn the ISO down a tiny bit. You can see the grill a little bit better. Now you can see that the grill actually is in sync and it is alternating colors. But I apologize, when we put it back, it gets a little bit bright. All right, let me show you around the back. Alrighty, around the back there, you can see that 6 head stick up high, mounted right flat against the roof. It's actually approximately a 1/4 inch above the roof. But it mounted that way with a 90-degree bracket right to the factory crossbar. We ran the wiring down and inside the grommet on the left side of the hatch. We have our ECO HAW mounted in the reverse. That pattern's only available on our ECO HAW, so if you like that pattern, you're going to need to get our ECO HAW. And again, an LD or an HD, either one will work just fine in that reverse. You can see we've also enabled the flood mode on that stick, so if you need a little bit of extra light for loading a trailer or reversing at night, definitely a usable feature. Yeah, I know you guys like to see the actual light cast, so what I'll do is I'll pan the camera to the back here of the shop, and you can see that this is all the light, easily 14-15 feet up, all the way across. So definitely a lot of usable light coming out of that 6 head stick in flood mode. Here, right on the dashboard, you can see when I turn on the light how we mounted our switches. And the reason we did that was because when I turn off the light, you can see they reflect up really nicely right into the instrument cluster. So it's very difficult to drive away and not realize that your lights are on. And you can see there we labeled them as well for this particular client. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Make sure you check out the description of this video for links to all of these products individually. Smash that subscribe button, hit that little bell symbol so you get our videos right away, and make sure you share our videos with your family and friends. If you don't share them, how else are they going to know? Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment here in Chicago and across the United States, as well as worldwide. We'll see you on the next video.